Hello, my name is Carolina Parker. I was born and raised in El Salvador, and I have lived here in Georgia for about 17 years. I have been a teacher for Gwinnett County Public Schools for the last 8 years. I have taught 3rd grade, 4th grade, and I currently teach science STEM specials, K through 5. I love my job. I find it extremely rewarding, especially because I get to work with all the students. All of them come through me, and it is my biggest joy to see them all every day. I started the KSU degree in instructional technology a couple years ago. This is my last semester, and I have learned so much in these last 2 years. I have learned how to become a better teacher because I know how to appropriately include technology in my instruction. I have also become a better leader because I have encouraged other teachers to work with technology. Probably one of my biggest accomplishments for this degree has been how much knowledge I've gained from the classes, from the resources I have learned how to utilize, for all the research I have done for all my projects. I think every time we educate ourselves, we learn, and what we learn makes us better. One of the most rewarding experiences I have had is my capstone work, which was related to teacher-made videos. I was feeling very passionate about the fact that students need the teacher more than for just the 8 hours that they're at school. So I wanted to become a virtual teacher that could go with them home, could assist their parents with any questions they had in regards to academics. I wanted to be in their students' lives constantly. So that was a big project and a huge undertaking for me. I work at a Title I school in which sometimes the students don't have the support at home because of lack of time or because of lack of resources. So I figured that by being present virtually, I could make a difference. If I ever wanted to become an instructional coach, which is my dream, I will be a good candidate because I am very passionate about technology. I am also very caring and very supportive of teachers. Teaching is a very challenging profession, and we need each other to support and to grow together for the well-being of our students. So I believe those qualities will make me a great instructional coach. Moreover, I am a person that is here to serve. I consider myself a servant leader because I believe that in order for encouraging others to do things, you need to be willing to help them out and to support them with everything you have to offer. My short-term goal is to finish my degree successfully, to do my very best and to finish strong. My long-term goal will be to secure a position related to technology, either in Gwinnett County, at the office level, or at a school. I believe I have a lot to offer, and my passion for technology will definitely show that. I believe technology is amazing. I want to live forever just because I want to see what we become. I also believe technology needs to be used responsibly and productively. That is why every single time I design an activity for my students, I ask myself, what are they going to get out of it? How is this activity going to help them learn, and how is this activity going to help them be better citizens? So, technology is great. We should use it well, though. Thank you.